are going to visit a nearby cave.
Yep, we're gonna go cave exploring. So it's fairly warm today. We've read that this cave is supposed to be a big temperature drop from the above ground temperature. So I think it's perfect time. We're at Subway Cave. It's only 7 miles away from our
Campsite.
camp location. And this parking lot is closed seasonal in the wintertime, but they do allow you to park right outside of the gate, so don't let the gate stop you.
And a short walk.
Very short walk up the road, and then we start the trail and get to explore the cave.
We're going spelunking. You know what that is?
No.
It's cave exploring.
Oh.
Spelunking. I think that's how you say it. Pacific Crest Trail.
Oh, cool. I didn't realize we were that close.
Yeah, it runs all the way through here, and I think it goes by Bernie Falls. And we have Canadian friends that we met, Larry and Amanda, that hiked the entire Pacific Crest Trail in one season.
Yeah, that's right. Not too many years ago.
They're badasses. I couldn't do that.
I want to do that someday, though.
How about I hike a portion of it? I don't know if I could do all 3,000
Yeah, I don't know if
miles.
maybe not the whole thing, but
It is like 3,000 miles, isn't it?
yeah, from Mexico to Canada.
I wonder how many more of these caves are around that nobody knows about.
Yeah, I think there's lava tubes all over through here.
Oh, can you feel the cold air?
Yep. This one just happened to collapse, so there's an entryway to it. Wow, the air is super cold. I bet this is really nice in the heat of the summer. So they say the way these lava tubes form is the outside crust cools and hardens, and inside the lava keeps flowing, and eventually the lava stops and the hot lava drains out, leaving a nice tube. Wow. This is awesome. It's huge.
I don't know how well we're going to be able to show you, but we'll try. That's pretty cool.
It's definitely cool.
Very cool.
I can hear water dropping. So this is pretty cool that you can do a self-guided hike through here. And if you come at the right time of year, you don't see anybody. I mean, how many places can you go hiking through a giant lava tube and not see anybody around on a self-guided tour?
Yeah, that's pretty unique, huh? Wind tunnel. Gets its name from the slight breeze that you may be able to feel on your cheek. Very cool.
Yeah, I feel like I need a coat when we're in there.
I could see my breath.
So I think this is a really nice place to come in the heat of the summer. If you want to feel like you're walking in a refrigerator, even if it's hot outside, you're going to feel nice and cool in here. A nice break from the heat.
Yeah, that was a cool cave.
It was. Who is it, Rudel? Who is it? Somebody's coming.
It worked.
What'd you find?
So if you take one of these, I don't know, what are they?
Blacklight flashlight?
Okay, you're gonna laugh on why I have this. I got this to spot scorpions in the desert at night, which I have not been successful. But I took this inside the cave and you can see the white in the cave turn purple.
Oh, cool.
It was cool. And I forgot my headlamp last time, so that's a good thing to take too.
Yep.
And good shoes. Okay, I had to do it. It was cool.
It was worth it, it sounds like.
Yeah. Rudolph. You ready to go? Ready to go back to camp?
If you would like to support our channel, please consider becoming a patron or check out our new merchandise at oneadventureatatime.com. We also have stickers available in our website store. Thank you for watching. Live from Subway Cave, and it is smoking hot out here, but there is a way to escape the heat. Just walk down in to the cave. It feels like a refrigerator in there, much cooler.